I bought a keyboard. This keyboard. Well, it's not really a keyboard. It's just the keys of a 1970 piano.
I have to clean this keyboard before I actually mount it. If you have a look, it's got so much dirt on it. So I'm going to use some wet wipes to clean the keyboard and followed by some isopropyl alcohol. And let me also, while doing this, show you. So it looks like this keyboard might have been owned by Kenny Melvin, and it's dated August 24th, 91. So I don't know if it was pulled apart in 91 or if it's older than that, because the person who actually sent it to me said it's from the 80s. So I don't know, but it's time to give it a new life. First, I had to build a shadow box for the keyboard. So I used an existing frame. I removed the pins that were holding the picture. And the glass and kept it safe. Then I used a metal scraper to remove any residual glue from the frame. I had cut some timber earlier to build the shadow box. I applied generous amount of PVC glue and I stuck the timber to build the shadow box. Once I had set up the timber, I used clamps so that they can be fixed nice and tight and hold it in place.
Every woodworking project needs some sanding.
The timber needed to be sanded down so that the primer, when I apply, will stick to the frame properly. I gave a generous coat of the primer to the frame as well as to the backboard. Once the primer was dry, I painted the whole frame and the backing in matte black. I made sure I covered the entire frame in black. And now for some B-roll shots. You know that saying, measure twice and cut once? Obviously I didn't follow that. So I have a little hiccup in my project, but that's okay. So the organ keys are almost ready to be mounted, and then I realized that the frame is a little bit smaller than the number of keys. Initially, I thought I should be able to squeeze it in, as you can see over here, but it's just a little bit wider, and that's making it look really bad. But what I'm thinking of doing is, if I can take these 5 keys over here, then it'll still look like a complete set starting from here all the way to here. So it won't look bad. So I can take those keys off first, and I'll make sure I cut this extra piece of timber off so that it doesn't look bad. And in the same way, I will cut this bit of timber so it doesn't look out of place. And since I was working late at night, I used a handsaw to cut the excess timber. You don't want to wake up your neighbors in the middle of the night. Then again I applied generous amount of PVC glue and I stuck the keys back in position. Once it was dry, I marked where the keyboard was going to be sitting, applied PVC glue again, and set it in the blackboard. While it was drying, I cleaned the glass on the frame, placing importance to the inside, because once the frame is glued, we won't be able to clean the inside. I completed the whole shadow box using generous amount of glue.
So there we go. It's just taken me about 3 years to finish this project, but it's all completed now. And it's time for me to hand over this one to my friend who wants to display this at her place. I hope you found value in this video, and if you like it, click on the like button and share it with your friends. And until we see you in the next video, live curiously.
So I'm going to
I hope you found